My name is Nanda Kishore. I am former Hyderabad Ranji Trophy captain and IPL BCCI panel umpire. I have got operated last month 24వ తారీఖున I got operated for my right knee. Over a period of time right knee అంతా బాగా cartilage తగ్గిపోయి I had to go through the procedure. Akhil Dadi Garu has really taken care of me. On 24th operation తర్వాత within 2 days I have to come back. Then thanks to Akhil Dadi Garu, apart from that in his team was really taking care of me. And most importantly, I got the confidence of getting back to cricket. Within this 1 month, that physio and Tilak Garu, and apart from that Ramakant and his team, they have really taken care of me. And today, within a month, I am able to walk and without any support. I think I'm ready to get into the next level of umpiring also. And I'm really thankful to Srikara Hospitals for taking care of me. And thank you everyone.
Today we are with the 1-month-old TKR case of Nanda Kishore Garu. He is a former Ranji Trophy captain and umpire for IPL teams. So today he got operated 1 month before, and his structures were very stiff and range was very not even going up till 90 degrees, and now it is around 0 to 95 degrees. So never push the leg inward. His tight structures were in IT band, and concepts was tight. So we tried to release that slowly, and his range was improved. So when you push the leg inward, the structures will become more tight and it will not allow the leg to move inside. So try to activate hamstring muscles and release the IT band so that the range will be improved. Okay.